This video is about exploring the main menu on this unit. To get to the main menu, you push the center button that looks like a 9 dot, and then you can use the arrow keys to move down, up, to the right, and to the left. Data logger functions will allow you to do a start of trip. Brightness will allow you to change the brightness of the display. In this case, we're going to go to high and hit accept. You also have a keypad function, how bright the keys are. I'm going to set that to high as well and hit accept. And then if you want to go back to the main menu, you simply go back again. There is a fuel prime feature, a language selection feature, and you've got a number of languages you can choose from. We're going to leave ours in English, so we're going to go back. There is alarm info, and in this case we have no active alarms, but if you did, this is where you could go to see what it has for alarms. Flash drive would be used for programming or modification of the system, and sleep mode would be used in cold weather applications in order to allow the unit to start on a really cold winter day, often used in Canada. Okay, that's it for the main menu. There is also a system menu. System has a summary, which gives you serial number and software rev, and it has some hour meters. So this one's got 2 engine run hour meters. It has electric mode hour meters. It has another hour meter function that you can use, and you can see the time and date on this unit. You can lock the display on a given screen and it will continue to stay there, or unlock it. Usually another button will have another function. This has a legal disclaimer with a QR code. That's it for the main menu overview.